Hello students. Today our topic is lanthanide contraction. First of all, we will see what are lanthanides. Elements after lanthanum to lutetium are called as lanthanides. These include cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium and lutetium. So they belong to the sixth period. Now if you will see the atomic size of what happens to the atomic size of lanthanides along the series. In case of lanthanum, the atomic size is 187 picometer. Cerium has 183 picometer atomic size. Praseodymium has 182 picometer. And lutetium has 173 picometer. So there's a steady decrease in atomic size from lanthanum to lutetium. This steady decrease in atomic size of lanthanides is what is called as lanthanide contraction. Now here I am giving the graphical representation of decrease in ionic size of lanthanides. So here you can see the ionic radii of lanthanum third positive is 115 picometer, and this ionic radii decreases steadily with increase in atomic number. So this phenomena of steady decrease in atomic and ionic radii of lanthanide elements with increase in atomic number is called lanthanide contraction. Now we will see what are the causes of lanthanide contraction. There are two important factors responsible for lanthanide contraction. One is effective nuclear charge and another is pore shielding effect of F subshell. Now what is effective nuclear charge? It's the force of attraction between nucleus and electrons in valence orbit. Here you can see this is a nucleus and these are here you see electrons in valence orbit. So the force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron in valence orbit is called as effective nuclear charge. So more the number of protons in nucleus, more will be the effective nuclear charge. Now in lanthanide series, that is from lanthanum to lutetium, atomic number increases. So when atomic number increases, number of protons in nucleus also increase. So number of protons increases. This results in increased nuclear charge. When nuclear charge increases, the attraction and force of attraction between nucleus and the electron will increase. This will result in contraction of atomic size. So here you can see there is a steady decrease in atomic size due to increase in effective nuclear charge from lanthanum to lutetium. Another factor that is responsible for lanthanide contraction is pore shielding effect of F subshell. Here you can see S has strong shielding effect than P. P has more shielding effect than F, D, and D has more shielding effect than F. So F subshell has weak shielding effect due to diffused shape of F orbitals. Now we know in case of lanthanides the general electronic configuration is 4f1 to 14, 5d0 to 1, 6s2. So differentiating electron enters F subshell, and these electrons cannot protect the valence electron effectively from the nuclear charge. So this is the reason the effective nuclear charge increases from lanthanum to lutetium, which results in decrease in atomic size. Now we will discuss some multiple choice questions. What are the causes of lanthanide contraction? Effective nuclear charge, shielding effect, both and B, none of the above. So answer is obviously both and B. What is the effective nuclear charge? Total charge on nucleus, attraction force between nucleus and electrons, effective number of protons in nucleus, net charge on metal ion. So we know effective nuclear charge, it is the actual nuclear charge experienced by electron, valence electron in an atom, So it is given as Z star, where Z star is effective nuclear charge, is equal to actual nuclear charge, that is Z minus sigma. Sigma is here shielding constant. So lesser the shielding value of shielding constant, more will be the effective nuclear charge. So answer is B. Which of the following subshell has strongest shielding? S, P, D, F. Answer is S subshell because it is spherical in shape. The size of lanthanide metal ions goes on increasing, decreasing, cannot be predicted, none of these. We have seen size of lanthanide metal ion goes on decreasing from lanthanum to lutetium. The phenomena of steady decrease in atomic and ionic radii among lanthanides and actinides is called, it is called as lanthanide and actinide contraction. So answer is both A and B. So in another lecture we will discuss about the causes of lanthanide contraction. So please like and subscribe my channel so that you will get notified when I will upload more lectures. Thank you so much.